Hello, my dear students of class 6 English medium. Today I am going to discuss a chapter of your textbook. The name of the chapter is Man and Environment. So, what is environment? First of all, you have to know. So, the environment is actually the surroundings or condition in which a person or plant lives. Okay, so man and environment. So as we know that man is a small part of the biosphere. So what is biosphere? Biosphere actually means the part of the earth where life exists is called biosphere. The part of the earth where life exists is called biosphere. Actually bios means life. So it is divided into three parts. First one is lithosphere, second one is hydrosphere, and third one is atmosphere. Okay, so my next point is what is global warming? Global warming is the slow increase in the average temperature of the earth's atmosphere. So global warming is the slow increase in the average temperature of the earth's atmosphere. So what is the effect of the global warming? First one, the melting of ice, and as a result the sea level is rising due to the melting of ice. Global warming can result in devastating heat waves, floods. Actually global warming creates floods, droughts, heat waves, violent storms, expansion of deserts, damage of crops, severe famine and epidemics. Okay, so the ozone layer in the atmosphere is damaged by equipments and chemical that we put our daily use. They include refrigerators and air conditions. Emission from this gadget of causing great harm to the ozone layer that has been protecting us for so long. So you have to remember this. Climate is going through such radical changes that plant or animal species are actually the extinction. Unless such damages to the environment are immediately controlled, and man can face doomsday in the long run. Actually this is the harmful effect on man. So doomsday, man can face the doomsday in the long run. Previously I mentioned biosphere. Actually bios indicates life. So your own little biosphere. Then each living being is dependent on its fellow living beings in nature. Likewise, the entire living world is dependent of the environment. To appreciate this interdependence, make your own little biosphere. So this actually creates a little biosphere, and all you need are a big transparent glass tub with a transparent plastic lid, small pebbles, oyster and such thing, or fishes, tadpoles. Keep the pebbles and the of your water. So this is your own little biosphere. Just imagine of your own little biosphere. Okay, thank you.